Hello, my name is Addison and I'm the beauty editor here on our Time channel. Today I'm going to share with you 6 tips for healthy hair. 1. Wash your hair regularly but not too often. Washing your hair regularly keeps it clean and healthy, but washing it too often can strip it of its natural oils, leading to dryness and damage. It's generally recommended to wash your hair every 2 to 3 days, but this can vary depending on your hair type and lifestyle. 2. Use a gentle shampoo and conditioner. Choose a shampoo and conditioner that is gentle and free from harsh chemicals. Look for products that are sulfate-free and contain natural ingredients like aloe vera, coconut oil, or shea butter. 3. Avoid using hot tools too often. Heat styling tools like flat irons and curling irons can damage your hair over time. Try to limit your use of these tools and use them on the lowest heat setting possible. Consider air drying your hair instead of blow drying it, or use a heat protectant spray before using hot tools. 4. Eat a healthy diet. Your hair needs nutrients like protein, iron, and vitamins to grow and stay healthy. Make sure you're eating a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. 5. Protect your hair from the sun. Just like your skin, your hair can be damaged by the sun's UV rays. If you're going to be spending time outside, wear a hat or use a hair product that contains SPF. 6. Get regular trims. Getting regular trims helps to keep your hair healthy and prevent split ends. Aim to get a trim every 6 to 8 weeks, or as needed depending on how quickly your hair grows. By following these tips, you can help keep your hair healthy and looking its best.
Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video informative. If you want to keep up with our latest content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Your support means everything to us, and it helps us continue to create the content you love.